Working with agricultural or commodity market data and found DTN files, these contain real-time market information from a leading commodity data platform. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain what these DTN ProphetX data files contain and how to access them. I want to share my favorite troubleshooting shortcut. Use a dedicated DTN file viewer to check the file's integrity. I'll point you toward the most powerful option below. DTN files are market data files, created by DTN ProphetX, the real-time commodity market data and analysis platform. They contain agricultural futures, energy metals, and financial market data, including price quotes, charts, historical data, and customized workspace configurations used by traders and agricultural professionals. DTN ProphetX data files use a proprietary format, storing real-time and historical market data records with timestamp price volume and open interest fields. The format includes workspace layout definitions, chart configurations, watchlist settings, and custom indicator parameters for the ProphetX analysis platform. The ideal software for creation and opening of DTN is DTN ProphetX from DTN. The file's embedded objects and layers require specialized software for full access. Windows has limited support for data structures, so proper viewing depends on matching tools. Let's check the software compatibility matrix. Right-click your DTN file, then click Open With. Test DTN ProphetX if you see it. If it fails, select the next program. This systematic testing is key. If you still can't open the DTN file, it's okay. The error you're seeing is standard for a DTN file lacking the right context. Quickly review these key details with me before we move on to the fix. First, opening in ProphetX. Launch DTN ProphetX and the application loads your saved workspace data files automatically. Access market quotes, charts, and analysis tools through the ProphetX interface. If you need to restore a workspace configuration, use File, then Open Workspace to load saved DTN workspace files from your data directory. Next, navigating market data. In ProphetX, use the quote board for real-time price monitoring and the chart module for technical analysis. Access historical data through the data export function for analysis in spreadsheets. Configure custom watch lists and alerts to track specific commodity markets relevant to your trading or agricultural business operations. Finally, exporting data. Export market data from ProphetX using the Data Export Wizard, which saves historical price data to CSV or Excel format. Configure date ranges, data intervals, and field selections for the export. Import the exported CSV files into Excel, Google Sheets, or statistical analysis software for custom reporting and research. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. Since the manual approaches didn't work for the file, the smart move is to use FileMagick, which provides the one-click solution you need, available at filemagick.com. Confirm your success in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.